Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the SD card is inserted and has enough free space. Format as portable if prompted. Once done, make a quick backup to avoid data loss because moving files can overwrite. Now open Google Photos, long press to select items or choose whole albums, then use the export or share option. Make sure you have a file manager or computer ready to receive the exported files. This lets you control exact destinations on the SD card. You now move the selected images. On Android, export to device storage and then open your file manager to move those files into a folder on the SD card, creating a Photos or DSIM subfolder. Alternatively, connect the phone to a PC with USB set to file transfer, then copy the DSIM or Google Photos export folder straight to the SD card or card reader. Make sure transfer is complete. Large batches can take time, so watch progress and avoid. You finish by verifying images load from the SD card in your gallery app. Open a few random photos to confirm integrity. Once confirmed, unmount or safely eject the SD card either from system settings or the PC before removing it. Make sure Google Photos backup isn't set to delete originals after export. If images are missing, rescan media, check the SD folder for hidden files, or reconnect and retry the copy. If permission errors appear, grant storage access to your file manager or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.